In this video, we will talk more about the circles component. This is how they look like. We have 6 circles and 1 sphere. Each circle has 2 legs and the sphere has only 1 leg, because when you look at the discs, you can see that each circle has 2 discs that coordinate its movement, and for the sphere we have that one big disc that we talked about earlier. What is interesting here is how I created, I call them small circles feet, because they look like small feet and they are at the bottom of the legs. They are important because these are the faces that would touch the discs and determine our mechanism to move. As you can see, we have a straight face. When I first started working on this, I thought it would be a good idea to respect the shape of the discs and made them with a round face, but it would turn out they would not fit properly and the movement would not be smooth because it would create conflicts. And that's why it's better to have a straight face, so you would not get this problem. I don't know what's more to say here other than each circle has the same distance between one another, and we have a bigger opening here for the sphere, so it would be in the center of attention. Basically, that's all the design I made for this project, and in the next video I will talk about the project overall and some tricks for the joints and the movement, because I remember I had quite an adventure with these. See you on my next video.